And today we delve into the beautiful, wonderful, and exciting world of triangles. And I will tell you, 5th grade, listen carefully to me on this. You will have quizzes about the stuff we're going to talk about right now. Some of you will be too lazy to look at your notes, and you will get stuff wrong that is so simple it's not even funny. But because you get mixed up on what we're going to talk about today, do yourself a favor, and even if you think you know what you're doing, take a look at your notes, because it definitely will help you. Because what we're doing with triangles is we are talking about classifying them, which just means giving names to certain types of triangles, okay? And there are two ways that we classify triangles. The first way is we can classify them by what their angles are. So if we're classifying by their angles, here are your three options. You can have a triangle that has one right angle in it. By the way, you can never have a triangle that has more than one right angle in it. You can try all you want, but it'll never happen. Okay? If it has one right angle in it, guess what the fabulous name that we have for this?
Right triangle.
It is a right triangle. How confusing is that?
Wow.
Right angle, it's called a right triangle. So that's one of the three ways we can classify a triangle with angles. The second one, okay, it is a triangle that has, I don't know if we talked about these angles before, a triangle that has all three angles are acute, or less than 90 degrees. Guess what the very difficult name for a triangle that has three acute angles in it is? Jonah? I think you're catching on. It is acute triangle. Acute triangle. And then we have one more type of triangle. The only three different ways you can draw a triangle is a triangle that has one obtuse angle in it. See that angle's bigger than 90 degrees? God bless you.
Thank you.
If it has one obtuse angle in it, believe it or not, this one's stranger than the rest. Guess what the name of that triangle is? An obtuse triangle, yes. Not sure who the Einstein is that named these, but they seem to be kind of like easy to remember. So you can classify triangles based on their angles. Either it has one right angle and it's a right triangle, three acute angles and it's an acute triangle, or one obtuse angle and it's an obtuse triangle. Now this over here, these are a little more confusing. Get a big dividing line here. The other way that we can classify triangles is by their sides. Or the length of their sides. Okay? And your first option is a triangle that has no equal sides. No equal sides. This one, these are a little more, there's no rhyme or reason. I wouldn't expect you to know this unless you had it before. No equal sides. If you haven't been looking in the book, Brady? Oh, are you just gonna guess? John, it's a,
Scaling.
yeah, it's called scalene. It's a scalene triangle. And maybe you can guess what's coming next. You can have a triangle that has no equal sides, or you can have a triangle that has two equal sides. And by the way, in math, because you're not such good drawers, and I'm not such a good drawer, the way that you tell somebody who's looking at your paper that you meant to make two sides look equal, you just do this. Put a little slash mark in the middle of the sides and front. That, somebody looks at this, they go, oh, those two sides are supposed to be equal. Now whether you drew equal or not,
Okay,
two equal sides.
I know.
If a triangle has two equal sides, Ellie, did you look in the book? It is what? Yeah, it's an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle. And our last option here, which one do I have left? Just enough maybe to draw the last triangle. Your choice with sides is either no equal sides, two equal sides, or guess what, River? The last choice would be to have no equal sides, two equal sides, or Floyd, all equal sides, yeah, three equal sides. If your triangle has three equal sides, equal, all sides equal, if it has all sides equal, this one's kind of easier to remember than the rest. Kendall? You got it right, yeah, here's the word, I don't know if you said it all, I missed it after, it's called an equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Let's see what that looks like full scale here. Oh, there they all are, by angles and by sides. And like I started off class telling you, I will put, or you'll have a quiz that says, classify this triangle by its sides, and somebody will write right triangle. And that's not by its sides, that's by its angles. So you have to make sure when you answer the question on the quizzes, are we looking at angles or are we looking at sides? So let's look at one. If I said, classify this triangle based on its sides. What is the name of this triangle based on its sides? Ronnie?
Isosceles triangle.
Exactly. This is an isosceles. Now, what about classifying this one based on its angles? What type of triangle is this based on its angles? Anyone got the three choices? Right, acute or obtuse. Sam?
Scaling.
Nope, that's sides. Angles. Look under the section that says angles. Your three choices for angles are right, acute, or obtuse. Aiden, it's, yeah, all of these angles are less than 90 degrees, so this is an isosceles right, I'm sorry, acute triangle. Isosceles and acute. How about this one? Look at that nice right angle there. Classify this triangle based on its sides. Based on its sides, Braden, it is,
Scaling.
thank you very much. This is a scalene triangle, no equal sides. And you know none of them are equal because I didn't put the little slash marks in it. If I said classify this based on its angles, you would tell me, Ethan, it is a,
Wait, I have a question.
yes.
So say it was like maybe like a 10, you could go in, and there was like a stick right there where the smaller piece, well, never mind. Well, it's kind of hard to describe, but the smaller piece, that part right there. So then, wouldn't it be equal actually that diagonal part and the bottom part, because
I can guarantee you that these are not equal if this is a right triangle. And again, Ethan, the way that, because I free-handed this, and you don't have a ruler and you can't actually measure to see if it's equal, the way you show somebody, unless I did this and this, okay? If I did not do that, you know they're not meant to be equal no matter what they look like. So these two are not equal. Now back to the question here. Based on its angles, this one here is, William?
a right
Yeah, it is a right triangle. How about this one? Kind of looks like a nuclear thing. How does that work? That's got this, this, and
It looks like a triangle.
this triangle based on its angles, classified by its angles. By its angles. Brendan? It is. All the angles in it are acute, so it's an acute triangle. Based on its sides, Chloe? It's a who? Yeah, all three sides are equal, so it is a equilateral triangle. So despite me warning you numerous times, I guarantee you on the next quiz, probably a full fifth of you. How many would be about a fifth of the fifth graders? If there were 30 of you, a fifth would be six.
Maybe 6, yes.
And also know, I talked to you about this before. If the book or whoever tells you to draw a right triangle, the easiest way to do that is to start with your right angle first. Don't try to draw a side like this and then try to figure out how you're going to get a right angle with whatever's left. Take your pencil, doesn't matter where you do it, just make a right angle, and then you just connect the other 2 points and you can't help but get a right triangle. You know, you can draw it like that, you can draw it like this, here's my right angle. Okay. Same thing with an obtuse triangle. If you're drawing an obtuse triangle, start with the obtuse angle first. You know that's bigger than 90 degrees, and then you can connect the other 2 sides. But if you try to do that last, it gets a little goofy and who knows what happens from there.